start.
Come on, Mustang!
Oh no, sideways. Oh.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Oh, we're all over the place.
He's getting away from me. This is awkward.
See you later, Alex.
Come on!
Yep.
He's beaten me, but not by that much.
Alex, by the way, I was in launch control.
Do you want to do one without launch control?
It's not going to make any difference, but hey, let's do it. You call it in.
All right, 3, 2,
1, go!
This is better without launch control by the looks of it.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, I reacted quickly to the startup, but the car struggled for traction in the first 20 metres, spinning up its wheels. Despite this though, the Litchfield Supra still crossed the line in an impressive 12.1 seconds. Meanwhile, Alex in the Mustang did the quarter mile in 12.7 seconds.
We're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in drive, comfort mode, just chilling. I'm going to count it in.
3,
2,
1,
go. Oh, bye, 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 5 litres, bye, bye, bye. Your car is slow.
Oh God, look how heavy it is. This is pretty hard on the brakes. Wow.
Well, speaking of that, let's see what it's actually like in a brake test.
I like doing emergency brake tests. Not in my own car though.
Let's get level with me then. We'll be about 70.
hold on for me!
Wait.
God, he's so slow in that thing. Right, when we get to the line...
Full emergency stop.
Come on, Mustang. Brake!
Oh, that felt good.
I'm not that big a fan of the Supra, but on second thoughts, I mean, it's quite good, isn't it?
It's a bit better than a Mustang, especially if you've got silver stripes down the side that say Litchfield.
How much are you in for in that car?
So the car itself, I think it's about £53,000 for the basic car, and the ECU upgrade is less than £1,000.
Well, Alex, you lost that, mate. You lost all 3 challenges, and that's because you
Went and chose to drive the Mustang.
But mine doesn't sound
as bad as yours.
I got this as well.
Well, we can all do that.